I was looking at the sky, it opened up. I saw you coming down like Gabriel, and my world began right then and there. Not even the angels could compare. I saw it all like a telescope.